Yo, every time I'm about to record though, my allergy.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be doing part 3 of this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette series that I have here on my channel. I am going to be featuring the Subculture palette in this video today to create this dramatic look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. This is definitely out of my comfort zone. I'm more of a neutral type of eye look with bold lips, but I actually had fun creating this look. So if you want to know how I got this look, give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And guys, please hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads. And without further ado, if you want to see how I got this, then keep on watching. Guys, so I already did my canvas. So I did my moisturizer, my primer, my foundation. I will have all of that information linked in the description box below of what I actually use. My brows are done, eyes are concealed and ready. So we're gonna go straight into the eye tutorial. And in this video, we're gonna be using the Subculture. Now, honestly, guys, this is my first time using this palette, and I'm a little scared, but doesn't hurt to try it. It is my first time. I know that there was a lot of controversy when this first came out about the blendability, about the textures and the swatches and things like that, but we're just going to try and create another fall look but using the Subculture palette in this series, and here we are. So I'm going to first go into Dawn, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. There's a lot of kick up on this palette, but we're going to keep going and not give up using it. On top of that, I'm going to go into Edge. I'm going to put Edge in the crease this time. And Edge is not giving me that much kick up like Dawn was. So I'm going to place that right on top of that in the crease. And already, as I'm blending these two together using the Anastasia brush, it's causing those two to turn a little brown, but I don't mind it because it's giving me a transition shade without me having to go back into another orange. So I don't mind that. I'm going to go into these greens. So I'm going to go into this one here, which is Destiny first, and then Untamed. Pat it right into the crease on the outer V area. Just pat it on first before blending it because I don't want any like craziness. It's okay. This Destiny shade is okay, but I'm going to go into Untamed. And I'm going to place that right here on the end. And drag it up to the crease as well, and then blend that shade up. It kind of like brushed away a little bit, so I'm just gonna pat some right here on the ends. I'm not gonna blend this part because it kind of went away a bit. When I go and blend it, it kind of goes away. I'm going to go in with Electric. And we're going to put that all over the lid. Now that we have the green kind of placed and set a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Electric shade. And I'm just going to drag it over in the green because I don't want to, this green is getting actually on my foundation. You guys may not be able to see it in the camera, but it's like getting everywhere. And it actually changed the color of this because this is more of a gold, but it's coming off as teal. So this is pretty much what we're going to do to the eye. I'll probably just add a little, I'll probably add this cube color here in the inner corner. Let's go ahead and do that now. And I use this cube color a lot. Like I use this a lot like in my inner tear duct, but it doesn't show up sometimes. So I always gotta wet it. It gives you like blue or pink reflux. It's so pretty, but it doesn't show up like it should. So I may have to go with plan B and use gold. So that is that on the eyes. We're going to come back to the bottom lash line, but I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on and some falsies. I'm going to be going in with the Smashbox Superfan Fan Out Mascara in this look today. Like I said, all of the items will be in the description bar listed below. I feel like this look could use a wing liner, but your girl don't be doing wing liners like that, so, but we're going to try. Okay. So I just try to do this wing liner. We're gonna stop there before I mess it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my falsies and I'll be back to do the rest of the face with you guys. So I'll be right back. All right, now that the lashes are on, we are gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line. So taking the color Axis, I'm gonna put that on the bottom lash line because I don't wanna go in with the other color too much. I'm just gonna stamp it. Onto the blush, I think I'm gonna go in with my Sephora color full collection one. This is the color Hot Flush number 13, and again all the products will be listed in the description box below. Right on top of that, we're gonna go in with my favorite highlighter, and this is the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in the shade Bronze Glow. Looks like that. For the lips, I'm going to line my lips with the MAC lip pencil in the shade Cork. On top of that, I'm gonna go in with this ADESSE New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. I've tried this one before. It came in a BoxyCharm box. I do like the applicator. I think it doesn't dry all the way down to a liquid matte, but it is long lasting. It has a little sheen to it. And it smells really good. It smells like cookies. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up for another ABH series makeup look. And it actually came out cute. It was just that these greens were not giving me what it was supposed to be. Like it's just all on my face. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can see it in this mirror. But nevertheless, it actually came out pretty cute. It's a little dramatic eye that I created using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. So if you like this makeup look, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and check out the other Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. I'll have the cards going up throughout the video, so you can just click on those once you watch this video and see the other makeup tutorials that I came up with using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.